Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet rugs ideas. It's very useful thing and the great addition in crochet articles. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade crochet rugs ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet rugs ideas. Pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for your home's beauty home decor. Your home looks very beautiful and enhanced with these articles. Thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet rugs ideas and designs. So these are very soft and you can see guys, these are very soft and very comfortable underfoot, easy to make and customize, gentle on floors and surface, can be made in various sizes and shapes, portable and easy to make, adds a touch of handmade charm to our room, can be used as a decorative accent and or functional mat, easy to clean and maintain, can be made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials, a great way to upcycle and repurpose yarn and materials. Crochet rugs are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home decor while also enjoying the benefits of a handmade unique and cozy additions to your space. So viewer, crochet is a popular handicraft that can be that involving and or involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making the things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. So viewer, if you are looking for project resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects from scarves to blankets to toys. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know and I will do my best to assist you. So these are the benefits and other questions answer of crochet. What is the crochet? These are especially for beginners details. So if you want to learning how to crochet, so contact me. I can provide you the resources and instructions for beginners. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like the video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. So be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.